We're back. More work to do in the goat barn, but also we've got to figure out how to get water down to the field. So I think that's our main project today. There's already a line running down the mountain from the spring up above, but we have to find the breaks in the line and repair them. So last time we got a gate on the fence, so we just need to do a little bit more work on that. We're going to cut the center out and put wire on it to make it a little lighter, just like the one at home. And the barn is looking alright. We have that much left to cover. We ran out of wood. Looks like the peas are going. We didn't really know where we were going to put the fence when we first planted, so we might have to be doing some transplanting of the peas to the other side. It looks like we have some sunflowers starting. I think we put a few plugs of sunflowers every so often in this row. So first we're going to feed this water line back through the pen and out the other side, and we're going to run it outside of the pen because we have decided that we're going to put pigs in there eventually, and we don't want them breaking the line. There, now the line is outside the fence. Yep. Does it open and close?
Oh, I don't know if it leaks or not, but
I guess we won't find out until we get water in there. There we go. Well, hopefully this is the only broken spot. So the valve is down in this pipe, but it's a little bit buried. So we can take all this sediment out and then we can turn the water on and try it.
did it go straight?
I don't know. Well, we opened it up and we found another leak about 10 feet later, so it's a broken 90, which means that the other half of it has to be somewhere here. Okay, so hopefully now that's the main.
We can find a piece for it. It just about will.
Oh, look at that. That should fit. Whee! Okay, hopefully now we found all the breaks in the line, so they just have one more to fix, and then they can turn the tap back on, and hopefully water will come out of here. Oh, there it is! We have water! Yes! Awesome. That's amazing. So we did find all the breaks in the line. So turned it off and turned it back on, and now we really have water. That's some amazing pressure, but I don't want to empty the whole line, so I'm going to shut it off now. Awesome. Well, it was way easier than we thought it was going to be, and that's about all we have to do up here for today, so we're going to head back down to the homestead. Oh, yeah.
We're sitting. I'm gonna go to my feet wet.
Yeah. Oh, oh, that is cold. Oh,
Yeah, that's cool.
oh, that is cold. Holy, that's cold. Oh, burr.
Very numb.
Yeah. It's beautiful though. Just very, very cold. What's up, Sammy? You wanna go for a walk? Huh? You wanna go for a walk? Of course you do. What's the matter? Is this what you want?
Good boy.
All right, let's go.